Flowvoice AI is the latest game changer in the world of AI software, and today I'm going to reveal the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released tool. If you're looking to improve your workflow and harness the power of AI to level up your business, stay tuned, because this software might be exactly what you've been searching for. First things first, Flowvoice AI is designed to revolutionize how you handle customer communication and virtual assistants. Whether you're managing your business's customer support or automating repetitive tasks, this software brings an incredible level of efficiency and ease. But what makes it stand out? Well, you can try it completely free using the first link below, no strings attached. Now, let's dive into the features that make Flowvoice AI stand out. Unlike other AI assistants, Flowvoice isn't just another chatbot. It integrates seamlessly into your workflow, offering real-time interactions that feel more personal and tailored to your needs. It can manage emails, handle customer inquiries, and even process complex requests without missing a beat. One of its key features is its natural language processing ability. Flowvoice AI understands and interprets customer queries in a way that feels almost human. This means fewer misunderstandings and better engagement with your audience, leading to improved customer satisfaction and retention. If you've ever struggled with clunky bots that don't get your message right, you'll appreciate the sophistication here. But the real magic happens with the software's customization options. You can tailor Flowvoice to your specific business needs. Whether you're running a small startup or managing a large enterprise, Flowvoice can adapt. You can create workflows that match your exact requirements, making this tool flexible enough for almost any industry. Another thing that sets Flowvoice apart is its scalability. As your business grows, this AI software grows with you. It can handle everything from simple tasks like scheduling appointments to more complex needs like integrating with CRM systems or automating marketing efforts. With Flowvoice, you're not just investing in an AI solution for today, you're building a tool that scales as your business evolves. Flowvoice AI also has built-in analytics, which is incredibly valuable for businesses looking to track performance and refine their approach. You'll get insights into how your AI assistant is performing, what customer concerns are coming up, and areas where you can improve. This data is gold for anyone who wants to optimize their operations and take their customer service to the next level. One feature that's particularly useful is its multilingual capabilities. If you're running a global business or have customers who speak different languages, Flowvoice can communicate seamlessly in multiple languages. This is huge for businesses looking to expand their reach and improve customer service without hiring a team of multilingual agents. Finally, the user interface is clean, intuitive, and doesn't require a technical background to get started. Whether you're a tech expert or a complete novice, you'll find Flowvoice easy to use, which is a big win for teams that don't have the time to get bogged down in complicated software. As you can see, Flowvoice AI is a robust and highly flexible tool that can completely transform how you do business. Whether you're using it for customer support, workflow automation, or analytics, this software brings a lot to the table. And remember, you can try it completely free using the link below. After testing thousands of AI software options, I've compiled a list of my top recommendations in the description. Be sure to check them out as they could make a huge difference in how you run your business.